Welcome, students. Today I will do the reading and I will also explain the chapter number 2, which is Grandpa Farouk's Garden. Children, do you know who is Grandpa? Grandpa is grandfather. Let's start. Grandpa Farouk's garden was Amir's favorite place. Amir loved the fruits, the leaves, the flowers, and the trees there. He also loved spending time with Grandpa. They worked together in the garden every week. When they finished, they enjoyed the fresh fruits from the garden. Children, this is the story of a small boy Amir and his grandfather Farouk. Here in this story, Amir and his grandpa Farouk loved spending time in the garden. They worked in the garden together, spent time there, ate fresh fruits together, and enjoyed being among flowers and trees. Next, one day Grandpa was very quiet. He worked in the garden without saying a word. They plucked fresh fruits, but Grandpa didn't eat any. What's wrong, Grandpa? Asked Amir. My garden is dying, Amir, replied Grandpa. Why do you think so? Asked Amir. Look closely, said Grandpa. Some pests are eating the plants. Amir looked at the leaves of the plant nearby. Half the leaves had been chewed off. So, children, one day Grandpa found that pests have attacked the garden and all the plants are slowly dying. He was very upset. He asked Amir to look at the plants closely. When Amir looked at the plants, he found that some of the leaves had been chewed off. Amir decided to help Grandpa and the garden. Students, here the meaning of plucked is picking up the fruits from where they are growing. And the meaning of my garden is dying is that the plants are drying up and becoming smaller and weaker. Meaning of closely is carefully. Meaning of pests is insects. Meaning of chewed off is bitten off. Next, can't we do something to stop this? Asked Amir. We need ladybirds, said Grandpa. They are very useful bugs. They can eat these pests and save my garden. But where will I find them? So the grandpa told Amir that ladybirds would help the garden because they eat the pests. Children, here the meaning of ladybird is small round insect which are red or orange with black spots, and the meaning of bugs is small insects. Both ladybirds and bugs, they are similar. Don't worry, Grandpa. I'll bring you a bug or two, said Amir. Amir went home and began to look for ladybirds everywhere. On the second day, he found two ladybirds while walking home from school. They were in the grass growing by the side of the road. He carefully picked them up and brought them home. Amir put small leaves and twigs at the bottom of a big plastic box. Then he gently placed the ladybirds inside. He kept some food and water for them in the box. The next day, Amir looked for the bugs around the football field. He found three of them sitting on one leaf. Come on with me, little ladybirds. We have to help Grandpa, he said, carefully picking them up. 2 days later, Amir found four more at the park. He picked them up and ran home. Now his box had 9 ladybirds. So, students, Amir searched for ladybirds everywhere. While coming back from school, he found 2 ladybirds, which was there in the grass growing by the side of the road. He found 3 more ladybirds in the football field. After few days, he found 4 more ladybirds at the park. He carefully picked them up and kept them in a big box lined with small and thin branches of tree. He also added water and food for the ladybirds. Students, by now he had 9 ladybirds. The next morning, Amir went straight to Grandpa Farouk's house. With a big smile on his face, he showed Grandpa the box with the ladybirds. Grandpa couldn't believe it. You've done well, oh my boy, you've done so well, Grandpa said with a tear in his eyes. Amir and Grandpa opened the box in the garden and let the ladybirds out. The ladybirds liked their new home. They had many pests to eat there. From that day on, Grandpa Farouk's garden did what gardens should do. It grew and grew and grew. So, students, after collecting the ladybirds, Amir took the box to the Grandpa Farouk's house and showed him the ladybirds he had collected from different places. Grandpa was moved to tears. He thanked Amir for saving his garden. Together, they released the ladybirds in the garden. The ladybirds ate all the pests. The plants are saved and the garden grew and grew. In this story, we not only learned about Grandpa and Amir's love for the garden, but also their love for each other. The garden is the place where they both spend most of their time together. When Grandpa was unhappy, Amir tried his best to make him happy. Instead of 1 or 2 ladybirds, he worked extra hard to find out 9 ladybirds. When together they saved the garden, they also saved the place where they have the most fun together. Children, hope you have liked the story and enjoyed it. Thank you and have a nice day.